Good morning, good afternoon, my friends all over the world. This is George from Montreal. I would like to continue present you the movements of the 13 paths of Shaolin. The last animal character, last movement for the 4 door of this short routine, the cock. Okay, I will start now. So this is yesterday's movement. I turned to my left and I jumped this way. And now I will show you the new movement for today. I will step forward with my right foot and make a noise on the ground. And then I will raise my right hand upward. Put my left hand here. And then I step with my right foot again forward. I draw an arc with my right hand downward to the left side of my body. And then 3 times pushing. So from here, it will be more clear. I will step forward with my right foot, make noise. I push down my left hand here, and I raise my right hand upward. This is the first part of this movement, called cock flying to a branch. Okay. The second part is I step forward again with my right foot. I will chop down my right hand this way and raise my left hand in front of my right shoulder. And after that, 3 times pushing the right palm. So this is the last movement and the last presentation of my Kung Fu arts for updating every day. From tomorrow, from next week, I will just update every week so that you can practice at home, you can master all the movement. And it will be easy for you and for me. And in the future, when I explain the movements, I will add something interesting concerning the culture. And I want to publish the content in other languages in this channel. This channel is just for this channel. This channel is just for the English language. So this is yesterday's movement. I repeat you today's movement now. I step forward with my right foot, make noise. I raise my right hand and push down my left hand. I step again with right foot and I chop down the right hand and raise the left hand again, and then 3 times push. So today's new movement, look at me carefully. Okay, thank you so much for supporting me so long time, and See you in 1 week. Please continue to support me, to encourage me, and to write comments to my videos. And for new friends, please subscribe to my channel in order to watch my new presentation of martial arts. Thank you again, and see you in 1 week. See you next week.